I want to talk about whether blending aromatherapy oils is science or it is alchemy. So let's start with the way I blend. I start by choosing my oils because of their properties. I look at the different notes. I look to see if I've got any synergy between the oils. So I might come up with 6 oils that I think are going to be really good for the client, and then I have to make my choice from those 6. And looking at the properties, there might not be anything to distinguish them. So you know, it really is a free choice, and then I go in with my instinct and choose whichever oils I think will suit the client best. The other thing that I will do sometimes is sometimes I'm just drawn to a particular oil for a client for no reason. Obviously I'm checking the contraindications and I'm balancing my other oils around the one I'm chosen. But if I feel an oil is right for a client, then I'm going to choose that, and that's not to do with science, so that's more to do with the alchemy. So is blending alchemy or is it science? I would have to say it's definitely a bit of both. Thank you.